Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best clip-on earrings for non-pierced ears available right now. The Thunaraz clip-on dangle earrings for women. If you're someone who loves stylish accessories but doesn't have pierced ears, or simply prefers the comfort and flexibility of clip-ons, you're going to love what this set has to offer. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the variety. The set includes 9 distinct pairs of earrings, each with its own flair. Whether you're heading to a casual day out or dressing up for an evening event, these earrings are designed to match a wide range of styles. You'll find vintage round discs, elegant teardrops, and openwork designs. The earrings blend both metallic and wooden elements, giving off a distinctly bohemian vibe while staying trendy and wearable. Comfort is where these earrings truly shine. The back finding is clip-on, but unlike many traditional clip-ons that pinch or irritate after a while, the Thunaraz earrings are lightweight and hypoallergenic. They're built for women with sensitive or non-pierced ears, and the use of elements like wood and leather helps minimize any potential discomfort. You can wear them all day, and yes, that includes dancing at weddings or long workdays, without that aching feeling you get from heavier pieces. The materials used here are also worth noting. The main body is made of copper, which is durable but still light enough for all-day wear. There's no gemstone, keeping things minimalistic and versatile. And thanks to the metal type and design, they don't easily tarnish or lose their shine. Another plus is the practicality. Because these earrings are clip-on, you don't have to worry about infections or the hassle of pierced ear maintenance. They're easy to put on, easy to remove, and securely stay in place without slipping or feeling too tight. That's a rare combination to find in clip-ons. If you love experimenting with accessories, or you're trying out different looks without committing to piercing your ears, this is an excellent and affordable way to build up your jewelry wardrobe. At the time of recording, the set is priced starting at $13.49 and goes up depending on the style, making it an incredible value for 9 pairs of earrings. To sum it all up, the Thunaraz clip-on dangle earrings for women are stylish, comfortable, hypoallergenic, and full of variety. They're ideal for non-pierced ears and those looking for bohemian-style accessories without sacrificing comfort. They hit that sweet spot of design, usability, and price. If you're interested in picking up a set, we've included the Amazon link in the description. Make sure to check the style options, as availability and pricing may vary. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. What do you want us to review next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.